Hi, kids. It's Adam and Colton coming to you, and we are going to have something of a puppet show again for you today. And it's with our friends, the Five Little Monkeys. Hello, kids. Hello. Do you want to introduce yourself again?
Yes, because we are 5.
You guys are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 awesome little monkeys. All right, what is your names?
I am Thumpkin. Hello, world.
I am Finger. Hello, world. I am Middler. I am the tallest brother. I am O, because I have an O for my mouth. And I am Pinkerton, the littlest.
All right, kids. I heard today you told me before the show started you wanted to learn to wrestle. Why would you want to wrestle?
Because we want to giggle and like tackle each other.
Oh, okay. So kind of just have fun like that. All right. Do you need any lessons on this, or are you feeling pretty good about this?
Oh, I know what to do. Watch this. Hi, brother. Ugh.
That isn't quite what you do when you wrestle.
Oh, maybe you just go like this and start going all crazy and say blah, 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 blah.
That's not
Maybe
correct.
we better get you a friend. Let's bring Prince onto the show. Prince, can you come back here? Prince, can you teach the boys how to wrestle and so it's a way that it's fun and just not too silly?
Yes, of course I can.
Okay. All right. On a count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Oh!
Whoa, I think Prince won.
Ow. That was really silly. I wasn't ready for that.
And I think Prince was too heavy.
Maybe we better go back to trying something new. We're gonna take a nap.
Okay, kids. All right. We'll try this a different time.
Bye, guys. See you in a little bit.
What was that?
I have no idea.